Hi, welcome to Hoffman Academy. I'm Alex. Today I'll show you how to start playing the rock anthem, We Will Rock You. That's right, the Stomp Stomp Clap song. This arrangement is from our book, Mr. Hoffman's Popular Hits for Piano. If you don't have the book yet, there's a link below this video. I'll go over the first few measures with you to get you started, and I'll also show you how to play along with the practice track that is included with the book. Let's go to the piano. You're going to love just how easy this song is to play. The only tricky part is the rhythm, but if you're familiar with how the song goes, or can even sing along, then that will make it a lot easier. I'm going to show you how to play these measures 3 through 6. Let's start with where to place your fingers. Right about the middle of your piano, you should see a pair of 2 black keys. The key in the middle here is D, and that is where you're going to place your right hand thumb, also known as finger 1. Keeping your thumb here, place the rest of your fingers on the keys so that each finger gets its own key, like this. Now for the section we're learning in this video, this will be perfect just like this. But later on in the song, this third finger will need to hop up to this black key here, which is F sharp, just as a helpful warning. But for now, we can rest it here on the white keys. The left hand thumb will be placed 2 notes lower on the note B, like this. And then again, each finger follows after, getting their own key, like this. Go ahead and play all these notes one at a time, starting with the thumbs to make sure it sounds great. Right hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And left hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if that sounds right, then let's keep going. Now, as I said before, if you're familiar with this song, it will make it a lot easier to learn. The words go by really fast, and most of them are between these 2 notes, D and E. If you look across these first couple measures, you'll see that some of these notes are hanging just underneath the staff, which is D with finger 1. And some are right on the bottom line, which is E, right here with finger 2. The easiest way to learn this song is to take it a few notes at a time. Let's start with the phrase, Buddy, you're a boy. The rhythm is easy because they're all the same fast 16th notes until boy. Buddy, you're a boy. Now, let's see which words have a D. Bud and So let's play it. Buddy, you're a boy. And again. Buddy, you're a boy. Let's take it one more time faster. Ready, go. Buddy, you're a boy. Great. Now I'll play each phrase a couple of times, but if you want extra practice before moving on, please pause the video after I play a phrase so that you can practice it on your own. Next will be make a big noise. Say that rhythm with me. Make a big noise. Good. Now see that the only D is on the word so let's play that a couple times. Make a big noise. And again. Make a big noise. Just like that. Great. Before we go on to the next phrase, let's try these first 2 phrases together. Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise. Let's clap it first and say the rhythm a couple times together. Ready, go. Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise. One more time. Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise. Now let's play that together a couple times. Ready, go. Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise. One more time. Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise. Great. Now look at the next little phrase, playing in the street. Notice the rhythm and the notes are the same as Buddy, you're a boy, so this should be easy. Play and sing with me. Buddy, you're a boy, and now play and sing, playing in the street. Let's do that again. Playing in the street. Last time. Playing in the street. Great, now let's look at the next little bit. Gonna be a big. Just before we go up to some of those higher notes. The rhythm here is pretty straightforward also, so clap and say that with me. Gonna be a big. One more time. Gonna be a big. Now look at the notes. The only D is the word so it will sound like this. Gonna be a big. So play that with me a couple times. Ready, go. Gonna be a big. Last time. Gonna be a big. Great, now before going on, let's combine that with playing in the street. Let's first clap it one more time. Ready? Playing in the street, gonna be a big. One more time. Playing in the street, gonna be a big. Now let's play it. Ready, go. Playing in the street, gonna be a big. And last time. Playing in the street, gonna be a big. Great. Now we have a couple of new notes, A and G. A and G. These we can play with fingers 5 and 4 of the right hand, and then we'll need to quickly skip back down to the thumb. Let's practice this phrase, man, someday you got. The first note, A, and then G happens twice, and then finger 1 on D, and then finger 2 on E. Let's play that again. Man, someday you got. Let's play that a little faster. Man, someday you got. Great. Moving on, next, let's do all of measure 5, mud on your face, you big disgrace. Let's clap that together. Ready, go. Mud on your face, you big disgrace. One more time. Mud on your face, you big disgrace. Good, and we're moving back to the D's and E's. So let's play that one time. Ready? Now we'll look at the D's on your and on you, so remember that when we play this. Ready? Go. Mud on your face, you big disgrace. Excellent, let's play that measure again. Ready? Go. Mud on your face, you big disgrace. Excellent. And finally, measure 6, we get to use our left hand for the first time. It starts with the right hand on D's only, saying, kick in your can. So let's play that first a couple times. Kick in your can. One more time. Kick in your can. Great. Then the left hand starts with your thumb on B, then step down, and step down again, and then skip down to finger 5 on E, which will repeat. Again, just the left hand notes. All over the place. Great, and the rhythm is all over the place. Let's play that. All over the place. Let's do that one more time. All over the place. Excellent. Now let's take that whole measure, starting with the right hand on kickin' on the D. Ready, go. Kick in your can all over the place. Let's do that 2 more times. Kick in your can all over the place. Last time, ready, go. Kick in your can all over the place. Excellent. Before I demo the whole song, remember that the best way to practice this is to do it section by section. If you have any trouble keeping up with these fast rhythms, it just means that one of those little sections is trickier than the rest. So go back to the parts of the video where we practice little phrases and go over each one until they're perfect and easy. Then try the whole thing again and see if it's easier. I'm now going to play along with the backing track that is included along with the book. You're welcome to play along what you've learned so far. You'll hear a few stomps and claps before the verse begins. Here we go. Thanks for learning along with me today. This is just one of 17 songs found in Mr. Hoffman's Popular Hits for Piano. This book is designed to help you learn how to play some of our most requested songs. Each song includes practice tips and challenges to help you grow your skills. And the book also comes with instrumental practice tracks that you can play along with. Check out the link below to get a copy. Thanks for watching and learning with Hoffman Academy, and happy music making.